Hi guys, welcome at For Swing Traders. My name is here, and look guys, I'm really glad that you're right here watching this video, because today in this video we'll go through 3 combo strategy 2017 performance, yearly performance. Alright, so look guys, it's real account. Okay, so I was trading in 2017 on two accounts, and the reason for that is because in the first half of the year I was trading only weekly time frame, weekly only, you can see right here. Okay, and the reason for that is because I actually in 2015 and 16 I was more of a scalper, right? Trading minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute time frame, and to be honest with you, I really got sick of trading lower time frames. So I decided, look, I was in a point where I wanted to actually quit trading, but not because I was not profitable, but because I was so frustrated. And I said, look, you know how to trade, so just trade weekly time frame and check charts only once per week. Okay, so it took me actually half a year to recover emotionally from so intense trading. And after in the second half of 2017 I started trading back from 1 hourly to weekly time frame, and this is account right here. Okay, so let's start with the first account. Okay, as you can see, at the beginning there was a loss in the January. Okay, let's go right here. In the January there was some loss, 1.35% minus, and in February there was no trade. Okay, there was no trades, no losers, no break even, no profit. But in March there was 2.65% profit. April some break even month. May again some loss, and after that 2 months, so June, July and August, actually 3 months, excuse me, there was a pause of trading weekly time frame, and after that very big profit of New Zealand cat, which actually took 9 months. Okay, so the average win and the average loss is around 1 to 2, okay, a little more, so this is very good. And the pips, it's a little less than 1,500 pips. Alright, so which is not a lot for trading weekly time frame, but still the profitability, so win ratio is actually 1 out of 12 trades, and this represents 58% win ratio, which is solid based on a risk to reward ratio. So if you go calculate expectancy, it's very good one. All right, so it's only 12 trades, which is very common for trading weekly time frame. And actually I got in the early 2017 I got my first student, and she actually I mean, we were having mentoring, we still have, but I was mentoring her for trading weekly time frame, and after a few months we realized that weekly time frame is a little bit too harsh, too hardcore. All right, and with that reason that was actually the reason why I proposed, said, look, maybe 4 hourly, daily, weekly time frame might be better option for you. But because I wasn't trading that back in summer 2017, I started trading back on the new account and trading from weekly to 1 hourly time frame. Because I truly cannot teach someone how to trade 4 hourly time frame while I was trading only weekly time frame. Okay, so it's against my value. So I started trading with her. All right, and here's the result. Okay, so from August, the August was really mind-blowing month. Okay, there was around 3 trades, like Aussie, New Zealand was really huge runner, and after that each month, so September, October and November were solid, very solid month, and December was a little break-even month. So again, a little more than 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio. Okay, a little more than 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio. You can see right here around 3,700 pips in that half-year period, actually 5 months. Okay. And actually 42%, so I won 77 trades out of 184, which represent 42%. All right, this might sound or looks low for someone, but it's always 50-50, guys. It's always 50-50. Your trade can win or lose, and what we rely as traders who are looking for consistency and stability is managing and proactively managing and setting high risk reward ratio trades and looking for high risk reward ratio trades. Okay. So in 2017, in the second half, we generated 8.32% profit with a little less than 2% maximum drawdown. All right, the maximum drawdown was hit, I believe, from October, from 6.8% to like 4.71%. This was the major drawdown in the whole year. So if we combine these two accounts, okay, so it's around 8% and 4%. It's like a little more than 12%. All right, 12% profit with maximum drawdown, which is right here, 1.95%, which is maximum drawdown. So have in mind, guys, that I was risking. I'm more focusing on trading 4-hourly and weekly time frame in 2018, and have in mind, guys, that I'm trading with around 0.1 to 0.5% risk per trade on this trading account. Okay, and also have in mind that this trading performance, right? So you can see that actually the drawdown is even lower on trading weekly time frame. All right, but have in mind that this monthly performance, so 12% profit with 2% maximum drawdown, this could be multiplied, okay, by 2. That would mean 24% profit with 4% drawdown, or 3 times 36% profit, yearly profit with 6% drawdown, or 48% profit with 8% drawdown. All right, so it's really, I personally, I'm very conservative trader. All right, I'm very conservative trader, and this is suitable for managing a larger capital. All right, so it's really in one-on-one mentoring. Okay, actually we define what's the best risk profile for you. All right, and look, guys, if you're interested into 3-combo strategy and one-on-one mentoring, there's a link down there in email, all right, where you can get pre-launch discount of 44%. all right, so this will be one-time offer, because I mean, I'm really not a fan of discounts, and there will be no discounts in the future, because I know that I'm a trader and mentor, who can actually prove, and you're watching that right now, who can actually prove the trading performance. All right, and this is something which other mentors, from what I've seen, others can, and this is really I mean, the reason why I'm self-taught trader is because none of trading mentors which I approached back in 2013 and 14 couldn't provide some sort of a proven track record, right? And that really bothered me, and I decided I'm going to have proven track record, and then I'm going to offer, because I truly have a passion for teaching, right? So let me just show you 3-combo strategy, which was in developing phase. So this is a demo account, all right? And I actually, 3-combo strategy is my first trading strategy, which I developed in 2014. And you can see this is the this is 3-combo strategy in action from 2014, okay, to 2016, just to the February. And you can see I was struggling in the first few months, all right? And after that, I figured out, and on one-on-one mentoring and in a 3-combo strategy, I'm going to explain you how I went from losing trader to break even to profitable trader. As you can see from the curve, just by watching the curve, we're going to talk about how to transition yourself from a losing trader from right here to profitable trader. Okay, yeah, actually it took me 1 year, one good year to test and develop the strategy from 2014. And let's just go through other accounts. So as I said, in 2015 I was a scalper, all right? scalping, which is right here. Yeah. This is my scalping. I developed this scalping trading strategy in 2015. Okay, 2015, and as you can see, there was quite a lot of profit with very little drawdown. So a little less than 30% with 2.61% maximum drawdown, which is pretty solid. I mean, okay, so you can see average win is around 5 pips and average loss around 7 pips. Alright, so it's really hardcore 1 minute scalping, but this period gave me a lot of experience, gave me a lot of yeah, I mean, practice, and because in fact 1 minute time frame is it's the same as weekly time frame. A weekly time frame or daily or 4 hourly is just a slow motion of 1 minute time frame. Of course, there's much more noise on 1 minute time frame. Okay, so it's a little more high risk and a little less predictable, but price action moves completely. I mean, very similar, right? So this is the scalping strategy, and the scalping strategy from 2016 is actually right here. So 12% profit with 8% drawdown, maximum drawdown. Again, I was scalping on a higher time frames a little bit, and it was very short period of around few months of trading. So look guys, I have 3 years of proven track record, and I believe that you will recognize that. So if you're interested in 3-combo strategy and one-on-one mentoring, you're more than welcome, and link is in email where you will get pre-launch discount of 44%. Okay, so the offer will be actually 3-combo strategy and 1 year of mentoring. So it will be a bundle. All right, it will be a bundle. You will be able to purchase only 3-combo strategy, but look, imagine that trading strategy is like hardware of your computer, right? And mentoring is like software of your computer. Okay, you need both in order to that your computer is functioning well. All right, functions well. So I really recommend you mentoring as well, because for example, when you're losing, trader, you have completely different problems than you are break-even trader. When you're break-even trader, you have completely different questions and looking for different kind of answers than, for example, when you're profitable. Okay, even when you will become profitable, you have different type of problems, issues, and struggles. So in one-on-one mentoring, we actually cover all these topics. All right, and also, for example, if you would only buy only purchase strategy, 3-combo strategy, and for example, if you have some specific and extensive, I mean, in-depth questions, the only way to answer is through one-on-one Skype session, where I actually show you my screen and explain you. All right, so there's a higher chance of that you will succeed if you will have mentoring. Okay, and also in one-on-one mentoring, it's a monthly one-on-one session. Okay, and we will go through all of your trades during the past month, and I will analyze it with you over again, and we will make a plan for the next month. So this is how mentoring will be. Okay, I will also send you private videos of trading setups. All right, and I'll also do my best to do analysis, weekly analysis. Okay, so that's it, guys. Look, there's no more to talk. Okay, so if you're interested, there's a link in email, and talk to you soon.